Hello everyone, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Sophie and today I'm going to show you guys how to make the famous New York Levain Bakery Cookies. Okay, so first you're going to need a bowl. You're going to add in your flour, your cornstarch, your baking soda, and salt. Then you're just going to whisk that together. Set that to the side, and in another bowl you're going to add in your butter, sugar, and brown sugar. Then you're just going to mash it together. And this will give the cookies a nice texture. Then you're going to add in your vanilla, then 1 egg, and you're just going to mix that well. Then you're going to add your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients, and you're just going to fold that together to make it into a dough. Then you're going to add in your chocolate chips. And you're just going to mix it together. And you're going to set that aside, get your baking sheet, and add your cookie dough. Put it in the oven for 6 to 10 minutes at 475. And there you go.